Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 20, electricity. In this worksheet we will learn about electric fuse. Electric fuse, what do you mean by electric fuse and what is the function of electric fuse? When a large amount of electricity passes through a fuse, it gets burned and breaks and thus stop the flow of excess current in the electrical circuit. जब एक्सेस करंट इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट से एक्सेस करंट आपके सर्किट में आ जाता है, किसी सर्किट में आ जाता है और फ्यूज़ वायर से पास थ्रू होता है, तो फ्यूज़ वायर क्या हो जाता है बच्चों, बर्नट और मेल्ट हो जाता है। और इसके बर्नट और मेल्ट होने से क्या हो जाता है, सर्किट ब्रेक हो जाता है। दस स्टॉप द फ्लो ऑफ excessive electric current in the electrical circuit. Thus, excess current will not reach up to the electric equipment like TV, fan, washing machine, etc. And these will be safe from excess electric current. So, these equipment will be safe from excess electric current by using fuse or fuse wire in the circuit. The fuse wire is made up of very thin metallic wire. Usually this fuse wire is made up of copper metal and which is very thin. Act as a safety device for electrical equipment from excess current. Excess current से बचाने के लिए, excess current से इक्विपमेंट्स को सेफ रखने के लिए हम फ्यूज़ जो है यूज़ करते हैं, फ्यूज़ वायर सर्किट में लगाते हैं। Here the activity is given to you. Let us see below the pictures of two bulbs and try to find out which of these given bulb is fused and why. You have to find out the fuse bulb and why it is fused. You have to explain. Here the hint is given to you. In this hint, what is written? Any bulb become fused whenever its metallic filament, which is made up of tungsten metal. Metallic filament of the bulb is made up of tungsten metal, get burnt or broken. अगर ये बर्न हो जाता है, जल जाता है या टूट जाता है, ड्यू टू किसके कारण होता है ऐसा? ड्यू टू एक्सेसिव इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. Then bulb is called fuse bulb. Thus, no electric current can pass through between the two terminals of the bulb and thus bulb will stop glowing and does not give us light. So, in these two pictures, the filament wire of bulb A is broken. So, the bulb A is fused bulb. Do you know air is a bad conductor of electricity? Air क्या है? Air is a bad conductor of electricity. If air were the good conductor of electricity, electricity could reach the bulb without wiring. अगर एयर जो है गुड कंडक्टर होती तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को रन होने के लिए वायर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. And the bulb could light without wires. बल्ब कैसे लाइट अप हो जाता? विदाउट वायर्स. मोरोवर द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रनिंग थ्रू द वायर could scatter all around the wire and then it might be dangerous. अगर air were good conductor of electricity, so it might be dangerous because electricity running through the wire could scatter all around the wire. Now we will discuss question answer. First question, match the following. You have to match the correct pair. First one is switch. Switch क्या होता है बच्चों? What do you mean by switch? Switch is a device which breaks or complete the circuit. So here point number 6, it either breaks or complete. You have to match the switch with 6 point. Second, filament. What do you mean by filament? Filament glows when electricity passes in it. जब filament में electricity, filament is a wire made up of tungsten metal used in bulb. So glows when electricity passes in it. So you have to match point B from 5 point. Point fifth. Third, C, insulator. What do you mean by insulator? Insulator are the substances which do not allow electricity to pass through them. So you have to match this. 4 does not allow electricity to pass. इंसुलेटर को आपके को किससे मैच करना है? From point 4. What is battery? Battery is the combination of 2 or more than 2 cells. So you have to match this battery a combination of cell. First point. D part will be matched from first point. Now conductor. What do you mean by conductor? Conductor are the substances which allow electricity to pass through them. So you have to match conductor with allow electricity to pass through it. Point number 3. Next is cell. What do you mean by cell? Cell is a device which convert chemical energy into electricity. So point through you have to match F from point 2. Next question is draw the symbol of the following. आपको क्या करना है? You have to draw the symbol of these components of electricity. First one is cell. Cell आपको कैसे symbol बनाएंगे आप? Cell का and one is small. This larger line represent positive terminal and smaller line represent negative terminal. Battery is the combination of 2 or more than 2 cell. So we will combine 2 cell like this, and this larger line shows positive terminal, smaller line shows negative terminal. Bulb, how will you make the symbol of bulb? Like this, and you have to put the circle. Switch on कैसे शो करते हैं आप? Switch on, this is the symbol of switch on. Switch off यानी कि open circuit, you have to show in this way. This is the symbol of switch off. Thanks for watching.